Mark and Joe again, still doing hand jive. And you know what we forgot to talk about? The high-low. We said we were going to talk about high-low. Let's do the high-low.
So again, looking at things that look weird when you learn them, but the closer you get to the source, you find them more often. And like you used to talk about teaching women self-defense, and people talk about this. Like when I learned Silat, there was only 6 motions, and one of them was turn on the TV high-low, turn on the TV high-low. And this is like, it might work better for you if his right hand is coming in, and I move in high-low and hit him here.
Shaking hands with Mr. Happy.
And then I pull this out as I'm stepping.
Yes.
That's how I'm going to dump him on his head.
Yeah, and by the way, we call that you grab and then look at your watch. It's time for you to scream now.
Yeah, so it's like if I feed you.
No, I'll feed you.
Okay, yeah, so as he's feeding, I move in. And now I'm pulling this as I'm stepping.
Right.
Or stepping through here.
And my feet are coming up, and he's creating a fulcrum for my body to rotate on. He's not doing it all with arm muscle, right? But, you know, he's also using his structure to cause the high-low motion. So this is really wicked, and it's very effective. And once you perfect it, okay, once you have the mechanics down, then you can begin to adjust it. Because this same move could put me straight on my skull in my life, right? Which, if I had a knife, that's what you need to do. Or if I'm drunk Uncle Albert, he needs to modify that to make it less lethal, right? But once you got the mechanics there, you can do it, right? And then you decide how much you can do, or you will do. Now, as I was talking about that, something that Joe has been doing, and we're going to address it, is he's moving to what I call his happy spot. Now, the thing is, he and I have had this discussion. See this? Once you have this is a happy spot. Once you got this position, you have all kinds of things. Now, a greater happy spot is right here. Okay? This gives me a moment to decide how much force I need to use. So, back in with, watch Joe move in, boom, all right, he's in his happy spot. He's got here blocked, here blocked. Now he can decide how much force he wants to use. And it's going to be, he's played with it, he knows it enough, he knows the circumstances, he knows how much force he needs to use. And the answer is right there.